Experiencing issues with your T-Mobile hotspot? You're not alone. In this video, we'll cover common problems and effective solutions to get you back online quickly. We'll focus on current fixes, considering the recent advancements in T-Mobile's network and troubleshooting tools as of March 31st, 2026. Let's understand the basics of T-Mobile hotspots. A T-Mobile hotspot uses your mobile data to create a Wi-Fi network that other devices can connect to for internet access. Key elements to understand include data plan compatibility. Make sure your plan includes hotspot allowance, as exceeding limits can cause throttling or disconnection. Supported devices are another key element. Android 12 or higher and iOS 16 or higher are recommended for the best hotspot performance and security. Network protocols are crucial too. T-Mobile hotspots use LTE, 5G, and emerging 6G bands for connectivity. Issues often arise from band congestion, interference, or authentication problems. Understanding these fundamentals, data plan compatibility, supported devices, and network protocols helps you diagnose the root cause of hotspot issues more effectively. Before diving deeper, try these simple solutions. Restart your device and the hotspot device. First, restart both your device and the hotspot device to refresh the connection. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network connections. Then verify your APN settings are correct using fast.tmobile.com. Also, ensure GPS location services are enabled for proper connectivity. Finally, check that no VPN is conflicting with the hotspot. T-Mobile's Hotspot Optimizer app version 4.2 or later is your best friend for fixing hotspot issues. This AI-powered tool automatically detects and resolves common problems like data throttling, band switching failures, and device incompatibilities. It specifically addresses issues such as data throttling, shown here with rate-limiting algorithms, band switching failures, and device incompatibilities. To use it, download the app from your App Store and run a diagnostic scan. According to a 2025 case study in NYC, this app resolved 85% of hotspot drops during subway rides. When quick fixes aren't enough, advanced troubleshooting involves a factory reset of your hotspot device. Always back up your important data first, including contacts and custom settings. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Reset options. Choose Erase all data for a complete factory reset and confirm the action. Wait for the device to restart completely. If problems continue after reset, verify your device's IMEI number. The IMEI is a unique identifier that helps T-Mobile troubleshoot network-specific issues. You can find it by dialing 06 on your phone, checking the About Phone section in Settings, or looking at the sticker on your SIM card tray. Contact T-Mobile support if issues persist. Their virtual assistants use AI for rapid diagnosis, often resolving problems in minutes. Call 611 or visit the website, provide your IMEI number, and describe the specific hotspot problem you're experiencing. Experiencing hotspot failures in rural areas? This is often due to limited 6G tower coverage, where fewer network towers result in weaker signals and connectivity issues. T-Mobile has deployed mobile technicians with portable 6G boosters in some rural areas to quickly restore service. These boosters amplify signals and provide temporary coverage improvements. Additionally, explore T-Mobile's pilot program for satellite hotspot subsidies, designed to improve connectivity in underserved locations by providing discounted satellite internet options. Check T-Mobile's website for eligibility to participate in these programs and get more details on available solutions. Sometimes, hotspot connectivity problems stem from exceeding your monthly data cap. When you surpass your allocated data limit, T-Mobile may throttle your connection or temporarily disconnect service to manage network resources. Fortunately, T-Mobile has implemented AI-powered support that can proactively monitor your data usage patterns. When the system detects you're approaching or have exceeded your data cap, it can automatically adjust your plan settings or alert you to upgrade options before any service interruption occurs. If you notice potential data cap problems, you can easily verify by checking your account details in the T-Mobile app or on the website. Alternatively, contact T-Mobile customer support directly, where representatives can review your usage and recommend plan adjustments to better match your data requirements. The effectiveness of these proactive measures is evident in real-world results. In a 2026 case study, users who benefited from AI-driven plan adjustments achieved an impressive 92% service uptime, demonstrating how preventing data cap breaches can significantly improve hotspot reliability. Security is crucial for T-Mobile hotspots. Emerging risks like hotspot hijacking, where attackers create fake access points to intercept data, are becoming more common. This has led to stricter encryption standards to protect user information. To mitigate these risks, always keep your hotspot firmware updated. Regular updates patch security vulnerabilities and improve performance. Avoid interrupting updates to prevent software damage. Looking to the future, expect fully autonomous hotspots with zero-touch provisioning, meaning they set up automatically without user intervention. These will integrate seamlessly with smart home ecosystems using protocols like Matter, providing enhanced connectivity and security. Stay informed about these trends to maximize your hotspot experience.